1. Introducing the unique 1973 Ford F100 Ranger, presented for sale at $8,900. This truck, painted in a gentle off-white shade with a brown-toned interior, is a true example of a preserved, unaltered original vehicle, cared for with meticulous attention. With a mileage of 140,000 miles and only 2 previous owners, this Ford F100 has spent its impressive 49-year life under the ownership of a single individual in North Carolina. The 360 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission were overhauled a few years ago, giving this truck a new lease of life and reliability. The seller's description highlights minimal rust and notes that all systems function properly. The original window sticker is included, adding extra value to this truck. Despite the acknowledged imperfections, the seller claims it is a very clean truck with 50 years of history. This 1973 Ford F100 Ranger is not just a vehicle, it is a historical witness that has wonderfully preserved its original appearance and continues to serve as an example of durability and reliability. Don't miss the opportunity to become its next owner and connect with the past on board this magnificent automobile. 2. Introducing the unique opportunity to acquire the outstanding 1979 Dodge D100, which is listed for sale at $10,500. This truck, painted in a striking black color with a blue interior, is a wonderful blend of style, performance, and meticulous care. With a mileage of 73,663 miles and no fewer than 3 previous owners, this Dodge D100 impresses with its cleanliness and careful maintenance. The seller claims that the engine is a powerful 400 big block, although a 440 was mentioned. Previously, the truck was green with fiery accents, but it has now transformed into an elegant black with fiery elements, creating a distinctive exterior. According to the seller, the truck is in excellent condition, and they're willing to sell it for $10,500 or consider trade offers provided it is an equivalent proposition. The seller also emphasizes that only serious offers will be considered, and the vehicle will be sold to the first interested party. So if you see this ad, the truck is still available. This 1979 Dodge D100 is not just a truck, it is an embodiment of power and style, seasoned with history and unique design. Don't miss the opportunity to take a look at this magnificent vehicle and perhaps become its next happy owner. 3. Presenting the exciting opportunity to become the proud owner of the exquisite 1972 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport, listed for sale at $35,000. This car, rich in history and power, offers a unique driving experience seasoned with style and performance. With a mileage of 102,589 miles, this Chevrolet Nova Super Sport is equipped with a mighty 396 cubic inches engine, Comp Cam's compression cam, a Delbrock Performer intake manifold, Hobley carburetor, LT manifolds, dual exhaust system, turbo 400 transmission, and a mild stall. The 8.5 rear end with lock provides additional dynamics and road control, setting itself apart with stylish modifications, including door handle removal using electric door poppers. This car boasts an elegant paint job, an attractive interior, and excellent features that make it a desirable offer for true classic car enthusiasts. The seller emphasizes that the car is in perfect technical and visual condition. All systems function as intended, and the car is ready to delight its new owner without any significant issues. It is noted that the car has a clean title, and the seller is open to trades, primarily for a 1968 to 1972 Chevelle. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport is not just a car. It's an opportunity to look at the past through a modern lens, to enjoy the dynamics and aesthetics of the golden era of automotive engineering. Don't miss the chance to become its next happy owner and experience power and style in one package. 4. I present to you a unique opportunity to become the owner of the delightful 1957 Ford Fairlane 500, which is offered for sale at $12,000. This car, undergoing a complete restoration 12 years ago, is a true masterpiece of automotive art, combining elegant design with power and reliability. With 85,000 miles on the odometer This Ford Fairlane 500 is equipped with a 351 Windsor engine paired with a manual transmission, providing an unparalleled driving experience. The full restoration of the body and chassis makes this car irresistibly attractive and unparalleled in its beauty. The owner emphasizes that this Ford Fairlane 500 is unique and has many features that are challenging to fully describe within the scope of this description. Interested parties are invited to call or message for detailed information. This car is not just a means of transportation, it is a work of art created with a love for details. The seller assures that the car will open up a world of style, elegance, and uncompromising performance to the new owner. It comes with a clean title, and the selling price is $12,000. This Ford Fairlane 500 represents a unique opportunity to add to your collection or become the first fortunate owner of this magnificent automobile. 5. I present to you the magnificent 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, which is currently available for sale at $18,000. This vintage car with 77,000 miles on the odometer is a true epitome of style and elegance. This Monte Carlo maintains its originality with a 350 engine and an automatic transmission, making it not only beautiful, but also reliable to drive. The owner claims that the original seats are also available and stored in the trunk, adding additional historical value to this car. The condition of this Monte Carlo can be characterized as extremely good, with minimal cosmetic work that may be required. The golden-toned exterior color gives it an exquisite look, making this car a true showpiece. This Chevrolet Monte Carlo has already been paid for and has no significant damages or issues. The owner emphasizes that the car is ready for new adventures and awaits its next fortunate owner. This car is not just a means of transportation, it is a guiding star in the world of vintage automobiles. 6. I present to you the stunning 1971 Chevrolet Malibu, currently available for sale at $39,500. This magnificent car has traveled 15,000 miles and is an ideal example of beauty and power. The Malibu impresses with its straight body lines, and according to the seller, the paint is in excellent condition, making it a true work of art. The 383-stroker engine, equipped with high-quality components, including dart heads and forged internals, delivers around 475 horsepower, making it not only beautiful, but also powerful on the road. This engine runs on regular gasoline and is supported by a reinforced TH400 transmission. The car is also equipped with a 12-bolt rear axle with a 3.73 locking differential, making it not only visually appealing, but also impressive on the road. The seller takes pride in stating that this Malibu is a true masterpiece that has won numerous trophies at car shows. This Chevrolet Malibu is not just a car, it is a work of art that combines beauty, style, and power. It is perfect for those seeking something unique and yearning to drive with elegance and power. 7. Introducing the 1965 Plymouth Belvedere, currently available for sale at $18,000. This magnificent car, with 64,932 miles on the odometer, awaits its new owner to complete its restoration to their liking. Equipped with a 318 engine, which according to the seller, makes this car an excellent choice to finish its restoration. The car is in great shape, making it an ideal candidate for a restoration project. Painted in a deep blue color both on the exterior and interior, this Belvedere offers the opportunity to create a unique and stylish look. The automatic transmission provides ease of control, and the years that have passed since its production make this car even more distinctive. If you are looking for a restoration project with excellent foundations and the potential for individual style, this 1965 Plymouth Belvedere could be your perfect choice. I'm sure its future owner will be able to create something truly unique. 8. Introducing the stunning 1968 Pontiac GTO, currently listed for sale at $29,500. This car, with a mileage of 75,888 miles, captures attention with its red exterior and black interior, creating a stylish and impressive appearance. This GTO, being sold by its second owner, is a clone and underwent a fresh restoration 4 years ago. The car is equipped with a powerful 400 Pontiac engine with a 4-barrel carburetor ensuring excellent performance and handling. The absence of significant damages or issues is confirmed by a clean title. This GTO is an excellent example of old-school charm, ready to win the hearts of car enthusiasts. It is available for sale at an attractive price of $29,500, and its current owner is reluctantly parting with it, seeking garage space. The new owner will not only acquire a beautiful car, but also inherit the history of a passion for driving this stunning GTO. 9. Introducing the unique 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air, currently available for purchase at $9,900. This car captivates with a beautiful red exterior that harmonizes seamlessly with a clean red interior. The power of this Chevrolet comes from a 235 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. This Bel Air is equipped with convenient features, including power seats, manual windows, a Pioneer stereo system, and comes with a spare wheel. You can drive this car right from the seller's showroom, or they can arrange delivery to any location in the United States. The Chevrolet Bel Air, produced from 1950 to 1975, has followed an interesting evolution from a unique design to a pinnacle of refinement, becoming a true symbol of the 1950s. This Bel Air is not just a stylish vehicle, but also a piece of automotive history. 10. I present to you a unique offer. The 1951 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe, currently available for purchase at $15,000. This car, with 60,000 miles on it, is a true example of meticulous craftsmanship done with a love for detail. Externally, it stands out with an elegant black color, while the interior is adorned in subdued gray tones. The car is equipped with a 235 cubic inch inline-six engine with enhanced assembly, including an Offenhauser intake manifold, Fenton exhaust manifolds, dual carburetors, electronic ignition, and an electric fuel pump. The conversion to 12 volts has also been carried out. The turbo 350 automatic transmission and the rear end from a 66-67 Nova provide reliable and smooth movement. This car is free from corrosion underneath, with minor paint bubbles on the driver's door. Chromed grills and bumpers have either been restored or replaced with new ones. The aluminum radiator and new white sidewall Silvertown tires add a special charm to the car. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this magnificent 1951 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe, which combines unique style, the past, and modern enhancements.